Hey guys, are you want to buy best cooling fan? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best cooling fan that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Be Quiet cooling fan. The Thermalright Pro 5 from Be Quiet is a high-end CPU cooler designed for exceptional performance and quiet operation. Equipped with 7 high-performance copper heat pipes and a special black ceramic-coated finish, it keeps CPUs cool even under heavy overclocking in peak performance conditions. Its 2 silent wings PWM fans feature advanced fluid dynamic bearings, smooth 6-pole motors, and airflow-optimized blades. The front fan's funnel-shaped air inlet and vibration-isolated mounting minimize turbulence and noise, delivering efficient cooling quietly. A convenient speed switch lets you choose between quiet mode, up to 1500 RPM, for everyday use, or performance mode, up to 2000 RPM, for maximum cooling power. Installation is simple with a detachable mesh top cover and pre-installed mounting kit, while its black aesthetic complements modern builds. The nickel-plated base supports liquid metal thermal compounds like DC2 Pro for even higher CPU performance. Combining iconic Thermalright design with German engineering and quality, the Thermalright Pro 5 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking silent, high-performance cooling. Now our second product is Thermalright cooling fan. The Thermalright PA120 SE ARGB is a high-performance CPU cooler designed for enthusiasts seeking powerful cooling and vibrant aesthetics. Built by Thermalright, a Taiwan-based brand with over 20 years of experience in computer accessories, this cooler combines quality engineering with modern features. Its dual-tower aluminum heatsink, reinforced with 6.6mm pure copper heat pipes, utilizes AGHP technology to overcome inverse gravity effects, delivering TDP support from 120W to 245W. The cooler comes equipped with 2 TLC12CS 120mm PWM fans, offering colorful ARGB lighting, airflow up to 66.17 CFM, and noise levels below 25.6 dB, ensuring ultra-quiet operation. Thoughtful design leaves plenty of room for RAM, making installation hassle-free even in compact builds. The nickel-plated copper base, combined with full electroplating reflow welding, maximizes heat transfer for extreme CPU cooling performance. Compatible with Intel 115X, 1200, 1700, 17XX, and AMD, AM4, AM5 sockets, it includes all necessary mounting hardware. The PA120 SE ARGB delivers a perfect balance of efficiency, silence, and eye-catching ARGB style for modern gaming and workstation setups. Our third product is ID Cooling cooling fan. The CPU cooler offers efficient and reliable cooling for a wide range of builds. Equipped with 4 heat pipes and a 120mm PWM fan, it ensures excellent heat dissipation, keeping your CPU at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. The adjustable RGB lighting adds a visually striking element, allowing you to customize colors to match your PC build. Additionally, the RGB can be synchronized with your motherboard through a 5V3 pin connector for seamless lighting effects. The 120mm PWM fan not only enhances airflow with a maximum of 68.2 CFM but also operates quietly, with noise levels ranging between 13.8 to 30.5 dB. Designed for broad compatibility, this CPU air cooler supports most Intel and AMD sockets, including Intel LGA 1700, 1200, 1151, 1150, 1155, 1156, and AMD AM4/AM5 platforms. Combining effective cooling, customizable RGB lighting, and versatile compatibility, this cooler is a great choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for performance and style in one package. Now number 4, Thermalright 120 SE V2 cooling fan. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE V2, PA120 SE V2, is a high-performance CPU cooler engineered for maximum cooling efficiency and reliability. Measuring 125 by 135 by 155 mm, it features an aluminum fin stack on a pure copper base, reinforced with metal fasteners for secure installation on both Intel and AMD platforms. The cooler is equipped with dual-thickened TLC12CX28 V2 120mm PWM fans, offering speeds up to 1,850 RPM, airflow of 88.89 CFM, and a noise level under 29.5 dB, providing excellent cooling without excessive noise. Its AGHP Gen 5.0 technology, utilizing 6.6mm pure copper heat pipes with full electroplating and reflow welding, efficiently mitigates inverse gravity effects from vertical or horizontal orientations. Supporting CPUs with TDPs up to 265W, it is ideal for high-performance systems and overclocked setups. Compatible with Intel LGA 1851, 1700, 1200, 115X, and AMD AM4/AM5 sockets, the cooler includes all necessary mounting hardware. With its advanced design and robust performance, the PA120 SE V2 is a perfect choice for gamers and enthusiasts seeking extreme CPU cooling. And our last choice is Thermalright PS120 SE cooling fan. The Thermalright PS120 SE is a high-performance CPU cooler from a trusted Taiwanese brand with over 20 years of experience in computer accessories. Designed for extreme efficiency, it features 7.6mm heat pipes with AGHP 4th generation technology to counter inverse gravity effects, supporting CPU TDPs from 105W to 280W. The cooler's aluminum fin stack, combined with a frosted anodized top and finely crafted pure copper base, maximizes heat dissipation while leaving room for RAM installation. Measuring 125 by 135 by 154 mm and weighing 0.9 kg, it fits a wide range of chassis designs. Equipped with a TLC-12B V2 120mm PWM fan, the cooler delivers airflow up to 66.17 CFM with a noise level under 25.6 dBA, ensuring powerful yet quiet cooling. Built with industrial-grade SFDB bearings and UL Class A insulation materials, it offers durability up to 20,000 hours. Compatible with Intel LGA 1700/1200/115X and AMD AM4/AM5 sockets, the PS120 SE provides reliable, high-efficiency cooling for gaming and workstation PCs, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.